Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is staying safe. Um, we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is a big old box we got here today. So definitely check them out. Link will be down below. We're going to get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get this in no time. The mail's still going. Amazon's still delivering. So don't be really too afraid. But everything's still running on Amazon. So all you got to do is click the link, add it to your shopping cart, check out really fast. And they'll ship this item to you really fast. And like I said, also check out their other goodies they have to offer. But this is going to be a big old box. So I'm going to put you guys down in a second. And talk to you guys through this way. But it's pretty crazy what's going on with everything. With the wrestling and sports world. But we are all safe. Everything's going to be fine. So we're going to get into this box right now. So thank you guys coming from, not sure where. Let's open this thing up. Oh boy. Good job taping it, that's for sure. Here we go. Almost there. Another snip. And another snip. There we go. Oh, I missed one snip, guys. There we go. Alright. We're going to do it together. Because there is another piece blocking it. So we'll take a look at the same time. It is open. What do we have here? Oh, it's coming from my good friends over at NURSAL. Right there. This thing out of the way. This is a massage cushion with kneading, vibration, and heating. So all your long nights on gaming, doing the Twitch, this would be perfect for you guys if you guys work from home and got a bad back or so. These are always nice things to have. Also, wait, here we go. All right, we made it. Oh, shoot. Here we go. So functions are kneading full back waist, thighs to release muscle tension, improve blood circulation, strong built-in vibration motor at hip and relax the body, strengthen the metabolism, unique up and down device. So I think it should fit this gaming chair. Like I said, I do a lot of work at home with the internet, so and gaming, I'm starting to get back into it more. But for all you gamers, this would be a perfect thing to add into your collection. This will help you guys a lot. Here we go. Alright, everything's safe. Hold it. Oh wow. Bada boom. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Maybe put this in your car. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, you could. You can use this in the car for like the long road trips, especially for truckers. This would be perfect for us. So if you know anyone in your family that does like trucking or anybody that works from their car, like police, officers, fire. So this would be a nice one to give somebody and even one for yourself. So not too expensive either. I believe it's under $100, I think, for this one. But they got different models to choose from also. So definitely check, take a second and see what they have. But I do believe this one is like $80 or so. $79.99 maybe. Don't quote me on it, but I think last time I saw it was around that. So we got the power right there also. And there's that. So we'll open this up nice and easy. You got it. Good old massager. Sure beats going to a massage parlor. Have one in your home. There we go. Whoa. That is pretty cool. It might fit the gaming chair. I just got to move some stuff around. NURSAL. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Has the remote. Nice little shiny remote. Okay. This is pretty cool. Sorry about the turbulence. We got slight turbulence on board. Whoa, I gotta remove that sticker in a few. This is a nice fancy dancy remote. Got different modes there. I like the color. The style is pretty sweet. There's that. Okay. Don't need that. Hold on one sec. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a second. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got it pretty much set up where I'm gonna have it right now. But like I said, once I go on the road or something, excuse the mess in here. I gotta clean up a little bit today, but here it is. The NURSAL Kneading Massager. This is my gaming chair when I'm on this computer to do my editing, photos and whatnot. And my other gaming chair is downstairs, so that's where I do my gaming at. So right there. This is just a basic gaming chair that you could buy. I'll leave the link down below for that one. Also, see, pretty. And there's a little strap. You just gotta Velcro it to the back of your chair or your car, your vehicle, wherever you decide to take this with you. But really cool. Let me put my gloves on and show you what I did. Easy connection to the outlet. Here's the remote after I took off the sticker. They got lower, upper, full mode, spot, and up here is, I don't know if you guys could read that, upper, lower, waist, routine mode, area, back, power. You know what? There it goes. Ooh, see it moving? Plastic with heat. Oh, it's down here. Hear it? Oh, there's a heat. Lower. Whoa. I think I did the neck massager one that has those kind of things in it. They actually work. They feel a lot better than going to like a chiropractor, which I can't do anymore because of certain reasons. But this sure beats going through that pain, but this is a lot easier to deal with. Full, and you get the seat massage, so that's all light up blue, red. Really cool LED remote, easy to use at any age. Oh, it kind of moves. Look at that. It's probably go all the way into the top. Oh, yeah, it's like those chairs that you see in the mall. Look at that. Climbing all the way up. Yeah, definitely gamers out here on YouTube land. This would be a perfect one to get. You could get it to somebody as a gift or yourself, like I said. But especially you guys doing the marathons, definitely going to need one of these on Twitch or a mixer. And See a lot of you guys doing those 12, 24-hour marathons. This would be perfect for you guys right here. NURSAL full body massage, man. I'm telling you guys, check it out. You guys be safe out there. And like I said, I'll see you guys hopefully back tomorrow. But pretty much everything is coming back in now from unboxings and everything. So we're going to be alright. Just be safe and see you guys soon.